Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a video fade out in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make a video fade out in Resolve, there are two ways. First, make sure you're in the Edit tab at the bottom and that you have your video clip inserted into the timeline. All you should need to do is click and drag the white marker in the top right of your video clip into your clip. The more you drag it to the left, the longer your fade out will be. Another way to fade out, and this will work for images and freeze frames too, is to head to the Effects tab on the left. If you don't see it, click on the Effects icon in the menu bar in the top left. It is the icon with the magic wand. In the Effects window, click on Video Transitions and then have a look for Cross Dissolve. Drag this to the end of your video clip and preview this. It should fade out to black. To adjust the settings for the fade, click on it and then go to the Inspector tab in the top right. You are now able to change things like the speed or duration of the transition and more. And so that is how to make a video fade out in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.